Ayo, what is good, gang? You know what I'm saying? How we doing? Yeah, hope you're doing good. In today's video, I'll be making some, what is this? Ski chat type, Devon Gogo, Tnk way type shit. Actually, this was a request, so shout out to you if you requested this video. And like, keep it real to you. I'll keep it real with you, guys. Like, hey, I don't know how to make this type of shit, but like, we'll see what we do. Cause like, but like, I think it's simple. I think it's manageable. Let me not say it's simple, but I think it's manageable. We can do this. So like, yeah, let's start off the beat. And guys, please follow me on Instagram. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram at netcookups. I'll put the link in the description. Please follow your boy. Please follow your boy. Please, like, yeah, you need to elevate. You know, if you follow me, like, you need to follow me for real. So like, please follow me on Instagram at netcookups. Please, guys, I beg you. So guys, that'll be the end of this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to your boy. yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to your boy. You know I'm saying how you doing. But like, yeah, please subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram at netcookups. Please, guys. I'll leave the link in the description. The first link, actually, it's not the first link, but like you'll see the link. You'll see show socials and Instagram and Facebook there. But like, fuck Facebook. Like, just follow me on Instagram, and you know we do them things, bruh. Do them things, bruh. Just follow your boy Tnk Musiq. If you enjoy it, please leave a like and subscribe. Request me to like request more videos, like cause like I'm running out of ideas. Yo, it's cool. But like, yeah, I'm running out of ideas. I fuck it. But like, yeah, please, if you want me to make something, just comment down below. Just like this video, this was a request video from, I think his name is Tabzen. I'll double check, but like, yeah, I'll shout out his name in the comment section. You know, shout out to you, and yeah, bow.